Caleb told you in the video last week, we got big plans and we're on our way right now on the road. Mason is behind me, catching up right now. But we are headed down to Somerset, Kentucky, which is off of Lake Cumberland. And he is about to pick up his brand new jet ski. It's a Yamaha, not a Seadoo. And so we've definitely given him some crap about that. But we're gonna pick it up, and I got my Trixx back here on the trailer, and we are going to start in Somerset and basically go all the way across Lake Cumberland to 76 Falls. So join along for the ride.
Oh man, that's bad. Here? Yeah, watch the wood.
Mason just picked up his jet ski from the marina, and the sales guy was telling us that Lake Cumberland is super dirty right now. There's logs everywhere. But that Laurel Lake is a little better. And we also went to Laurel Lake last year and we loved it. So we're making a last minute decision to head to Laurel Lake, about 45 minutes down the road, so that we don't tear something up because of all the logs. So see you there. I'm super excited about the new life vest that I got right here by HO Sports. And Mason got a little bit of a discount at the accessories store in the dealer, since he bought a ski and a trailer. So picked this up at a little bit of a discount, and we just wanted to make sure that we're Coast Guard approved this year, so we're all good to go. It is a nice day out here. We're having a blast. This thing's awesome, the VX. It's really cool. It's pretty quick too. There's some turtles. There it is. That's the waterfall we jumped off, or waterfall, the rope swing that we jumped off of last year. Yeah. Oh, there was a huge thick rope on there last year. Somebody definitely cut it off, yeah. We just found this cliff here. It's got this spot that just like comes right off of the cliff. We're definitely coming and jumping off this sometime this summer. They've already got ropes up there for people to climb. They've done it, they know.